all, welcome to this session of Blender. In today's session, we are going to see how do we apply various Boolean operations on the objects. So there are three Boolean operations which is there to work with in Blender. First one is intersection operation. So in intersection Boolean operation, we see when two objects are merged and then what is the intersection point we get of the two objects. When we have union, in union we are going to see how do we combine the two objects as a single object. When I say difference, we are going to see when we take two objects, what is the difference we get in the two objects. So these are the three Boolean modifiers we have which we can work to give a different kind of shape to our object. So to work with that, we are going to work with a rod, a cylinder and a sphere. So since we do not need this cube, we are going to remove this cube. I'll enable shortcuts so I can see the shortcuts which I am using. So I will delete this cube. I will add a cylinder. So I will go to Shift A, Mesh, and then select my cylinder. Now this cylinder which is there, it is a normal cylinder. So let me make it look like a rod. So to make it look like a rod, I'm going to first scale it around the Z axis. So S, Z, scale it to Z. Then let me make its width small so it looks like a rod. So again I will S and then I will say X and scale it around X. Then I will say S, I will say Y. So yes, now this looks like a rod. I can smoothen the surface so it looks like a rod to me. I can work like this or I can even work in the normal way also, not a problem. So now I've selected my cylinder. Now let's take sphere. So I will say Shift A again, go for mesh and select my UV sphere. So now I have cylinder, I have sphere. Let me duplicate this object twice so that I can see the operations in the three objects which I have. So for duplicating, first thing I want to duplicate the complete object. So I'm going to select the object. So I will say Shift and select my cylinder. Before that, let's add color to our object. So for this sphere, let me add a material, a color to it. So let me give it a color, suppose as red. Let me take cylinder and same thing, go for materials, add new material. Let me take it to green, suppose. You can select any color as per this by using material. So let me select the complete object and press Shift D. Shift D will duplicate the object once. Again I say Shift D. It will duplicate twice. So now I have three different structures. Let's see by applying one modifiers, Boolean modifiers, and see what kind of object do I get. So first I've selected my first object. I will go to modifier. Select Boolean modifier. Now first let's try with difference. Now when I take difference, since I want to work with two objects, I want to see what is the difference of the sphere with the cylinder. So let me select cylinder over here. So I will select this cylinder by the picker. So I get the name cylinder over there, that means cylinder is selected. And when I say apply, now you will not see any kind of thing, but I know there is a difference. So I will select this rod and press delete. So when I select and press delete, you can see that I have a through and through sphere over here. So this is different. This is the operation of difference, or the result of the difference operation. Now let's go for the next one. I select my sphere again. I will go for add modifier, select Boolean modifier. Now let's see with the intersection part. Let me select cylinder now. Now I've selected cylinder. I will say apply. So moment I select intersection, because we all know that as rod and sphere, the intersection is this part over here. Now this is the additional part which is there, so I will select this part by left click and delete. So this what we are getting is the intersection of my cylinder and sphere. Let's see for the third operation. I select my sphere again. I will go for Boolean operation. Now let me select union. Now I want to have union of this with the rod, so I will select cylinder again. Pick it, select cylinder, so cylinder gets selected. Now if you see, after applying union, this whole object becomes a complete object like this. Let me apply it. So I have this complete operation. So these are the three operations. First one is for difference, second one is for intersection, and third one is for your union. So these are the three modifiers which we can work with using the Boolean modifier. Thank you.